Okay, the puppies are 4 weeks old today. We're gonna give them, they're over there playing right there. We're gonna give them food today. So this is what Willow has been eating their mom. And this is what I'm gonna give them. About 2 hours ago, I put 2 cups of dry puppy food and a bunch of water, and it's really soft. So I'm going to put it in this pie pan, just a little bit, because I'm not sure how much they're gonna actually want to eat. Okay. All right. It's in a pie pan now. Okay. I have a blanket I set here, a clean blanket. There they are. And my plan is to not step on them coming in, and to spread this blanket around just to get some of the mess when they start to eat so it doesn't get all over their floor. And then I'll have to do a lot of scrubbing. Okay, so of course they're very interested now, they're looking. So I'll go back over here and get the bowl or the pie tin. And then, nope, don't go out, guys. Nope. All right, so they don't know what this is. They have no idea. They've never had any. So that's Rosie. Let's see what Rosie thinks. Piney. Let's see. Of course, they're walking in it. I'm trying to get Daisy picked up and get her brought over. Daisy. Daisy. Daisy, go down. Daisy, go low. Daisy's trying to climb over the hole. There, now she went low. Okay, here's what it looks like. They're actually doing pretty well. I don't think Daisy's getting much. I may have to refill. So we have Stormy, Scarlet, Rosie, Piney, Sky, and this one's Daisy. I wish I could see more what they're... Can you guys hear the eating sounds? It sounds like it's being pretty well received. Okay, Rosie's... Oh, there's Rosie. What'd you think, Rosie? Huh, Rosie? That's Rosie right there. I may have to get a refill on this project. Willow has not been wanting to nurse them as much. They are 4 weeks old. I think I've delayed just a little bit giving them food just because they've been getting so much great nutrients from her, but I knew it was going to be time very soon. And sure enough, it was indeed time. So they are try to squeeze in over this side a little bit. I did make more. I may wait just a little bit, see how this digests and see how it feels for them. So I may film another little video later to see. I mean, it's almost empty. They're definitely, I mean, that's pretty much it. Besides a few crumbs, I think they're eating all of it. So that's awesome. Well, thanks for joining me on the first time eating. Please like and subscribe. 4-week-old golden retriever puppies. Thanks.